In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset password in Duolingo. We will walk through it step by step so you can get back into your account. First, go to the Duolingo website. Open your browser and in the address bar, type duolingo.com, then press enter. The page that loads should show the Duolingo logo at the top and options to start learning or log in, so make sure you see that before moving on. Next, tap or click Login. You will usually find this in the top right corner of the Duolingo page. Once you click it, a small window or panel appears with spaces for your email or username and your password. This is the normal login screen where you would usually sign in. From there, select Forgot Password. Look for this text right below or near the password box. When you click it, the login fields disappear and you will see a simple form that asks only for your email address. That tells you are now on the password reset screen. Now enter the email address linked to your Duolingo account. Type it carefully into the box, using the same email you used when you created the account. If you enter a different email, Duolingo will not be able to send the reset link. Double-check the spelling, especially dots and numbers, then tap or click Submit. After you do that, the page will usually show a short message saying that an email has been sent if the address matches an account. Nothing else will change yet on the website, because the real action now happens in your email inbox. Open the password reset email from Duolingo. Go to your email app or website and look in your inbox for a message mentioning password reset or Duolingo. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder, because automated emails sometimes get filtered there by mistake. Once you have the email open, click the reset password link. It is usually a clear button or a line of text in the message. Clicking it opens a new page in your browser, taking you back to Duolingo, but now you will see fields for creating a new password instead of the login form. Now enter a new password. Choose something you have not used on Duolingo before, with a mix of letters and numbers if possible. Type it into the first password box and remember exactly how you entered it. Confirm the new password by typing the same password again in the second box. This step checks that there are no typos. If the two entries do not match, Duolingo will ask you to try again, and the password will not change yet. After that, tap or click Save or Reset Password. When this works, the page will refresh or show a small confirmation message, and your new password is now stored for your account. Finally, log in using your email and new password. Enter your email on the login screen, type the new password, and sign in. You will know it worked when your Duolingo home screen appears with your usual courses. You have now fully reset your Duolingo password and signed back into your account. So if this helped you get back to your lessons, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple how-tos.